snazziest, I'm Master Lee. All right, y'all, today we are checking out Green Valley Ranch, a Stations casino located out here in Henderson. And we actually live very close to this one. This is probably the closest casino that we live next to. But we have not been here in years. And I have to admit, the reason why we haven't been out here, their buffet no longer exists. And that's unfortunate because I loved their buffet here. It was affordable, it was good quality, but otherwise the casino is really nice, as you can see here. It's got more of a rustic look to it. I mean, it is called Green Valley Ranch, so I think it'd be a little bit more Green Valley-ish. All right, today we're gonna be scoping out some slots here today because we're gonna be playing some slots. And it's a good day to play because they are having a hoodie giveaway. Golden Knights hoodie. Oh, he's won one right there. That dude has already won a hoodie. That's right, Station Casinos. If you spend $300 at a slots machine, or more like if you play $30, you don't have to actually spend it. You can literally spend just $1, and in theory you could actually win a hoodie. And yeah, you get a Golden Knights hoodie, which is a pretty awesome deal. One of the best local deals I've seen. I like the Buffalo games. I'm feeling like I want to play Buffalo later. Ooh, look at the Central Bar. Central Bar is always a good sign to give you an indication of the quality of a place. If they invest a lot into making the Central Bar look cool, then you know it's nice. That's nice, huh? They're beautiful. That's pretty clever the way they does the design of the lights that shine down. It's pipes. Borracha. Looks like a cantina. Mexican food. Either it's not open yet or nobody's hungry. All right, this will give you a sense of what they got here. That's pretty typical Mexicano. It's nice though, huh? Really nicely designed. I love the way they did the patterns around everything. Very nice. Ooh, this is their steakhouse. The one you said that's really, really nice? Yeah, we should go try sometime. Whoa. This is just their bar. All right, I guess we'll come kind of next time. So it's Friday morning, and it's relatively busy actually, considering it's a local casino midday, right? And you'll notice a lot of senior citizens here. Oh, what's that? Oh, Pizza Rock, that's right. We did say we want to come eat here later. This place has consistently been voted like one of the best pizza joints in Vegas. So, I think we're gonna have to do it. Are they even open? There's no chef, baby. Is it lunch? It is. It is kind of lunch right now.
Open yet?
Mm. Buffalo. We might play Buffalo again.
More buffalo.
I really like Buffalo.
We didn't win last time.
Okay, we didn't win because it's Vegas. But no, right? The idea here at Buffalo is that you can open it up and get multiples, and you get a stampede. But they have said that this particular type of machine is high volatility, which means that you can lose a lot of money before you win a lot of money, or you could just lose a lot of money. Cocktail lounge here. It's nice. Yeah, I wonder if there's this many people out because of the promo that's going on. Because I see a lot of people with the hoodies already, which means they've been gambling here since like 9 in the morning probably. Ooh, this one looks cool. Only because of the machine is super nice. It's like a space shuttle. I feel like I want to play just because of that reason alone.
Oh, look at the line.
All right, so this is where you get pick up the hoodie, huh? Baby, go see how many are left, just so that we have to know how many, if you have a shot or not. This is the line here. This is their sports book, actually. Oh, this is a nice sports book. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Yeah, this is the line for the freebie. Which means we may not be in luck if we don't hurry up and play today. Look at that sports book. That's nice, huh? It's huge. Oh my goodness. You get your own little cubby hole. You know, I'm not so sure I'm a fan of the cubby hole design. I kind of prefer more of a lounge one where you can sit back and bark loungers. And they got these tables here, but these aren't as comfortable as, say, chairs like this or chairs like this. Am I right? All right, so I see the hoodies over there. Hard to tell if it's enough. I guess it's time to start earning. I have to cut this walking tour short just so that we have enough time to hit the slots today. High limit slots from right here. Last time we came and gambled here, I think we lost all our money within 10 minutes. Maybe not even 10 minutes. I think we lost our money in 5 minutes. Yeah, dangerous.
Maybe next month they have a luggage.
Hey, baby. Oh, why do you need more luggage? We have literally a room full of luggage. For a minute there, baby, I thought this was the buffet and it's open again. Nah, this is their Lucky Penny. It's their, I guess, local chain. They have one in every one of their station casinos. It's a cafe.
The one we had last time. Whoa.
Philly
never
cheesesteak
again.
that did not taste like came from Philly. Didn't even taste like a cheesesteak. Maybe half a slice American cheese in it. You gotta load that shit up with cheese, people. Did not happen. By the way, I have noticed a lot of construction going on here for new restaurants. So I think they're going to be doing a lot of renovations. This is like the third one we saw that is coming. So that's nice. I mean, the reality is these casino places go through such high turnover. Some people come in that things get worn out real quick. Trends and fads come and go real quick. So I feel like every week we're seeing something new and different open up. Whoa, baby, this is probably one of the nicest high limits room we've seen. Look at that. Nice.
Like a VIP.
I know, huh? It almost doesn't fit the decor of everything else. Everything else feels a bit like a lodge. That feels like penthouse suite.
You get intimidated going in.
That looks nice.
That looks like a church.
I know. So the decor is nice here. I won't say that it's not. It's just not my style. It does feel like, yeah, all these but goodies, you know what I'm saying? Maybe in the clientele. Although I shouldn't knock it because starting this year I qualify for senior citizen discounts. So I think I'm one of the oldies. All right, baby, do we see a good machine that we want to plunk down a few dollars on?
All I know is you keep saying Buffalo.
Did we play Wizard of Oz before? Let's play this. 2-seater. Yeah? I think we found our machine, peoples. I think we found our machine. Let's check out the gift shop real quick. I'll be honest, I don't know why you would come to a place like this for a gift shop. One of the stations, casinos, not really a well-known brand. So you know, well, I guess it makes sense. They're just selling local gear like Raiders, Golden Knights stuff, a couple of tchotchkes, collectibles, but otherwise, it's kind of a pointless gift shop, huh? These local casinos often things like tribute bands. This one here, Johnny Cash. The guy does look like Johnny Cash, huh? Another bar.
That's it.
No shortage of bars here. This guy already won his hoodies. There is a kid zone. No idea if it's
They
even.
always have one.
You know, that's a good point. Yeah, I think these station casinos have places where you could throw your kids at and you don't have to think about them for a couple hours while you pretty much gamble away their college tuition.
Or opposite around, you'll win.
Or you can win it so that they never have to go to college. All right, y'all. That's it. Hope you enjoy this walking tour. Make sure you subscribe to our other Vegas channel, Vegas Slots, where we Well, gamble away our kids' college tuition.
Make sure to check out my Instagram.
And check out our Instagram. Peace out.